Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Creative Cloud on a new laptop. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your laptop and ensure you are connected to the internet. Visit the official Adobe website by typing adobe.com in your web browser. Navigate to the Creative Cloud section on the homepage. Click on the download button to start downloading the Creative Cloud installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to run it. Follow the prompts to install Adobe Creative Cloud on your laptop. You may be prompted to enter your computer's password to authorize the installation. After the installation is complete, launch the Adobe Creative Cloud application. Sign in with your Adobe ID and password. If you do not have an Adobe ID, select the Create an Account option and follow the instructions. Once logged in, you will see the Creative Cloud dashboard. Browse through the list of available applications. Select the Adobe applications you want to install by clicking the Install button next to each one. Wait for the installation process to finish for each application. You will receive notifications once each application is successfully installed. After installation, you can open any Adobe application directly from the Creative Cloud dashboard. You can also find newly installed applications in your computer's Applications folder. Now your Adobe Creative Cloud is activated and ready for use on your new laptop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.